Hello, I'm Nate. Today, this big guy with me is a 2-in-1 vending machine I would like to show you. And this side is obviously is from the meal vending. And this side is for snack and drink. In the meal side, it's with direct push goods train and elevator. It's with A floor. The snack and drink side is with spiral. Here we have made some space for the microwave. So you can put the microwave inside here. And the customer can get the food heat after they get from the machine. The elevator will go up to pick up the meal. And before, the product cut down, we are not able to open the pickup. Here it comes. Now we can open the box and take it. Now we buy a drink. Here we have a selection: A cabinet, B cabinet, and the snack is B cabinet. And then we buy. Here it comes. Here I get the meal and drink. If you are interested in such combo vending machine, please contact us for more information. Thank you.
Micron Smart Vending, China top 3 vending machine exporter, smart vending hardware software one-step provider, your long-term vending machine supplier. For more information, please visit our website www.micronvending.com.